what is embedding? Well, suppose we have a number, and this number represents a word, like cat. For a large language model to be able to process this number, or this word, it has to have access to the meaning of this word. Now, in practice, this means that when we say cat, we mean a furry, four-legged creature. That's what we mean when we say cat. And what we have to do is we have to describe this meaning somehow. The way we do that is using a list of numbers instead of one number, because computers can only handle numbers. So take one number that represents a word, also known as a token, and then we make a list of numbers out of it. So a list of numbers. And the best way to think about this list of numbers, which we also call a vector, so this is how you think about a vector, is you must remember when primary school we did coordinate geometry, you had one number that represents the direction in this direction, the amount of steps you take in this direction, another number that represents the amount of steps you take in this direction. And say we have the word cat, then we would have one direction representing the amount of fur it has, another direction representing the amount of legs it has. Then we would say it has 4 legs, a lot of fur, so let's say 8 fur, and then we draw an arrow pointing to that location. And this is how we represent the meaning of words. We take multiple directions, and in each of those directions we say how much of the word's meaning is in that direction. So how much of the cat is in terms of legs? Well, it has 4 legs. How much of the cat is in terms of the fact that it has fur? Well, a lot. So embedding allows AI models to operate not with the words themselves, but with the meaning of words. And so that's why we need embedding.